Hello guys, welcome to our channel how to get all answers to your how to questions today. So today we will see how to create a Gmail account. Why Gmail account? Gmail account is very important for our life because without Gmail account we are not able to sign up in any of the site or get access to the app. So we need a Gmail account. For example, Gmail account like my site Gmail account is webofluence@gmail.com. This is a mail. We can call it as mail, Gmail, or a Google account, anything whatever you want to call it. So this is a Gmail account. Today we will see how to create it. So just let's get started. So here you have to type www.google.com. That's it. So this interface will get open. Here you have to type Gmail new account creation. Okay, so this interface will get open. Here is so many links. Firstly you have to click the only first link. So here this page will get open. Here you have to fill all the details required for your Gmail account creation. Like first name, I will be typing my name, that is Hasita. Last name Goel. Okay, and username is very important because this username should be unique to our Gmail account, because if this is our personal account then this will be not be an account of someone else. Username is a key by which the Google will identify which account is belong to which person. So for example, I am trying to enter Hasita 181 okay. Here this Google will show that that username is taken. Try again. See, you are seeing that. So the Google is giving me suggestions also, like choose this Goel Hasita 1, Hasita G2, Hasita Goel 645. But if I am not comfortable by this, I think that I will forget this username by taking it. So I will simply alter this, like I will add G into this, then I will see whether it is taken or not. This is also taken. I will be doing 0 G. Let me see if it is taken or not. Okay, it is valid. It is not taken by any of this, so I can go with this username Gmail account, that is Hasita1210 at the rate G capital at the rate gmail.com. So next step is fill the password. I will be filling my password, and this should be, remember, this should be an 8 or more than characters and mix of letters, numbers and symbols. Okay, again fill the password to confirm it. I have filled. So I will be repeating these steps. Firstly, follow any of the Google web browsers, then open the Google site, then type Gmail new account creation, then first link, then this interface will get opened, and then fill your first name, last name, username which will be unique to you, and password, then confirm password, then click next. Sorry, my password is not strong enough, so I have to go for another password. So sorry. Let me see. Yeah, it's worked. Okay, so next this Google is asking that fill your phone number, recovery mail, your birthday and gender. This information is very important because if you recover your password or recover your Gmail account in future, in case you are forget your password, you are forget your Gmail account, you will lost your mobile or anything else and you lost the Gmail account, then you have to recover that Gmail account with the help of phone number or either by the recovery mail. So I will be filling here my password number and the Gmail and birth February day 21 and this one and gender. Then next I will be clicking next. So to verify this, the Google will give you the 6-digit verification code. So just send. Okay, I will be receiving my code on my phone which I have given. Okay, I have received it. That is 87 2563. Okay, then click on verify. The Google will verify us. It's verified. Yes, I am in. Click on. Then it's privacy and terms and conditions. You all know. Let's click on I agree. So let's see. Here we have created the Gmail account. That is, I have created my Gmail account, that is Hashita1210g@gmail.com. Hope you have also followed me and created your first Gmail accounts and addresses. Please comment that addresses in the comment box so that we can give you free gifts, because this is our first video and we are giving the free gifts of ebooks and graphic designing tools to use. So please send your Gmail accounts in the comment box, and please comment, like, share and comment करना ना भूलिए.